going on YouTube? This is my new channel. My name's Lee. It's going to be more automotive car stuff. That's my 400 horsepower Golf R. And today we're going to be fitting an Airtec Intercooler into my mate's Polo GTI. There's a lot more to come, so if you keep tuned for future videos, this will be going stage 3, and we will be doing everything ourselves apart from the map. So we've got the front bumper off now. This tool's an absolute lifesaver. Don't have to take the wheels off. Gets right up in the arch lining. Obviously that's the standard intercooler. So, and then you've got the Airtec one just here, which obviously you've got the standard size there, plus this. Also use one of the T20 to block off the windscreen wash so you don't lose it all. Now just got to take off the crash bar, a couple of trims underneath, then we should have the old one out, and we'll get the new one in, and then I'll update you guys from there. Alright, so we've got the full crash bar and the plastic supporting that goes around the fans, AC, radiator. Just got to undo these clips here, so you've got these clips from under, and then put the new one on. Right, so that's the stock intercooler out, completely out now. Got the new one here, about to go in. Do a little size comparison. It's obviously coming from this way as well. Massive difference. So let's get the new one in, and then check back with you guys. The fixing kit, it uses existing holes from the AC radiator from there, and they send out some hardware that'll be used on the intercooler. Yeah, let's get all that screwed up. Yeah, so that's it all now bolted up. So you've got the existing screw that was already there, and that's the new one. Let's get the other side done. Alright, so we've got all the surround on now. Alright, it's a bit of a pain in the backside, to be honest. The clips under here. But it's all in now. Just screwing it all up. Yeah, so it's all back together now. Everything's done, all in. Don't know if you guys see it. Yeah, just about. Just got my mate doing the last couple bolts, and then that's it. And we'll be doing the first drive. I'll do that in another video. Yeah, there's more to come on this car though. We've got a bigger turbo going on, and then mapping again, stage 3, and then we'll have more content on mine. Just like, comment, subscribe, be appreciated. I'll see you on the next one.